Hey there, this is Computer Age. As you may have already seen the title of this video, so I'm going to discuss about that. There are some few steps you have to follow so as to enhance the performance of your Windows 10. Just few steps. I will not beat around the bush. Simple 5 steps are there. You have to follow those steps so as to enhance the performance of your computer. And amazing thing here is that you don't have to install third-party application or any other software for that. These are inbuilt features by Windows 10, so just go for it. The first step is discipline up. As you know, this is a basic step but very much recommended by every techie because it deletes many files. It cleans up huge chunks of memory which are unnecessarily now hold up by some files which you don't require. So for that, what you have to do, just go to PC on your computer and just click on properties, and here you could see this cleanup option right here. Okay, these are the files. Just make sure you check every box because these are the files which your computer is not using. You can see there are temporary files, recycle bin is there, thumbnails. Just click on OK and hit on delete files. So this is the first step, very important step, and it's an inbuilt feature of Windows 10 and Windows 7 and Windows. It was incorporated since Windows XP, so good feature by Windows 10. And the next step is just click on Windows plus, or you can hit on search and type run and just type here temp. Click on OK. These are the temporary files which were Windows is using, but these are not required because every time Windows create new files, new set of files so as to run the processes and services on your computer. So these are not required. Just make sure you select all and click on yes and check out for any. Okay, just click on continue. These are the warnings, you have to look out for this. If it says that this file cannot be deleted, just click on skip. All right, and just check this box and click on skip for all. Now the third step is task manager. Okay, just go to the bottom of your Windows and just click on task manager and click on startup, and these are the files which which start by their own the time you boot up your computer, and these applications will keep on eating up the RAM unless and until you don't manually shut down the computer. So these are the applications, and you can see states enabled. The time you boot up the computer, these applications get started by their own. You have to manually disable them. How can, if you I mean to say, if you think that the application is required, then you can just let it as it is, and if you think that the application is not required, just simply disable them. Like I don't need secretly every time to run in the background, so I'm disabling it. Okay, Avast cleanup UI, I don't require it every time, so disable it. Okay, so this is it, and this was the third step. Now the fourth step is REGEDIT. Just go again to run and just click REGEDIT. Okay, just click on yes, and now here you have to look out for HK current user. This is this one. Just expand it and go to mouse, look out for mouse. If you don't see any option here, just leave it as it is because we don't require it, since there are no folders by the name mouse, so leave it as it is. Next is you have to go and search desktop folder, and if there is no one, just leave it. Those are already set, just leave it as it is. Okay, now the first step is unwanted services. Okay, again go to run and look out for ms config. Alright, check out on services, and these are the services which are running by their own. Just make sure you check this box, hide all Microsoft services, right, and just click on disable or apply and OK. Now it's up to you if you want to restart your computer, and if you don't want to restart your computer, but I recommend you to restart your computer so that these services don't start again on their own. Okay, so this is it, guys. This was all. You have to follow these 5 simple steps so as so as to run your Windows 10 without any lag smoothly and in an optimal condition.